I do apologise to whose alarm I've just set off. That is not what I planned to do when I started up my car. So hi guys, welcome back and welcome to another video, and welcome into the Lamborghini, which is going to be fairly centre of attention for today's video. You would have seen maybe a couple of videos ago I was mentioning that I'm keeping this car. I'm keeping this car for a little while now, and I've decided that I'm going to sort of modify it and start doing things to it, which is exciting. It really is. I just remembered when I had my A45, and that was like the car which I modified so much, and I just want to go back to those roots really. There is a massive supercar convoy going on in London. Let's get going. The car's already started, car alarm's already off. Right, so I've parked the Lamborghini up and I've found Tom.
Another YouTuber.
Another YouTuber is on the move. We're about to get run over. What is that t-shirt you're wearing, by the way? Nintendo 64. Seen a lot of strange things from you, but that's up there. That is very odd.
Sorry. Yeah.
We were at a pub and
With
just
some birds.
and just as many people look at that than they do your SV.
Yeah, I don't
And
know
that's
about that.
150 grand, and yours is 350. I'm just saying.
370.
I'm just making you feel that it's.
Sorry,
you
going back to
spent-
370.
I know, no, yeah, we got that bit. Anyway, it's looking very good in the sun, and this is when the chrome shines so well with this car. It really does. Things are going to be happening to this, and that's the luxury of having a supercar. Well, the Aventador, you'll be annoyed that this is going to be staying a little bit longer, but the Aventador will come.
You need to get.
Bear with me.
No.
When this is finished, no, and you guys will know. When this is finished, you'll realise why. What I've done. Porsche 911. Have you bought? You bought another car, mate?
No, I haven't. It's Jay's, but he's making friends.
Okay, he's made that. Oh,
Car friend.
oh, Jay's got a car friend. You're a big Porsche fan. Tell me a little bit about it.
Well, this car is a Gen 2 Turbo S, so you're looking at about 170 grand's worth.
It's a lot, isn't it?
Turbo S. Racer yellow, which is the same colour as my Carrera T.
Yep.
And it's got the black Era kit as well. So it's got basically add-on
These fins.
spoilery bits chucked around all over the place, and some kind of vents on the front. All in gloss black. It's got sunroof, full Alcantara inside. The folding carbon buckets, which are unbelievable. Bows.
They don't all have that, do
Full
they?
carbon. It's unbelievable. Yeah, it's top spec, and it's just a weapon. People forget they have 4 seats as well. So
I know, but they don't really, though, do they? Let's be honest.
I mean, someone enormous like me can get in there.
No.
Not someone as enormous as me.
No, I knew where you're going with that. I think this is so crazy, is that this is more expensive than a Huracan. And
That's potty, actually.
that is mad. When you think about it, that is more expensive than that.
And which are you going to get more birds with? Well, that's going to be a video at some point, I'm sure.
But that's not everything related to...
Yes, it is.
No, nothing.
Yes, it is. That's what it's for.
Okay,
That's what it's all about, boy.
Here he is, Jay lad.
Hello, lad.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll have that, lad.
Just assessing it.
Oh, these are very sticky, lad.
Just looking at this. You like turbo S's, don't you, Jay?
I do. Oh, are these double thickness? So we only get 3 of these, lad.
Oh yeah, they might be, mate.
Oh, I thought there was 6.
Yeah.
No.
That's why you're. So that's why we're at Halfords, because of the number plate.
Yes.
Oh, it all makes sense.
Yeah, well, I did.
Right. Now it all makes sense. We better get talking. What I have a little bit of news for in regards to this car. It's been pretty exciting, and before you think I've parked my car in these lines, it will be moved. But obviously, this is staying for longer, and Aventador has been put on hold. And I'm going to be modifying this car out. There is news on this, and there is a big part of this car which is going to be changed very shortly. What I'm pointing at here is the wheels. The wheels right there are going, well, in the next, I think, the next 2-3 weeks. But in the last few days, I've decided on the new forged wheels which are going on my Lamborghini Huracan. And I'm going to play on the screen now what you're watching right now, and this is a render of what this is going to look like when the wheels arrive in the next couple of weeks. It's going to totally transform it. These wheels cost quite a bit of money. How nice is it going to be, these wheels with the render which you're seeing? I'm just going to play another render on the screen, the second render, so you can compare. But when this car is looking like there, right, when it's sat there, it looks insane. But what I do feel is missing is the wheels are just gonna, it's just gonna be so different. And with the front splitter here, guys, it's gonna be so different. Like, it's gonna look so unreal. I'm buzzing to get started and just to see what it's looking like. You're probably wondering, what size wheels have you gone for? So the front are gonna be 20s, 20-inch wheels, and the back are going to be 21-inch. So then we can also sit it lower, give it more stance at the back, and just really get this car even better. It's gonna be mental. It is gonna be so mad. It really is. The guys at CM Wheels are the people who have kindly provided me with the wheels that are going on, and Chris there has been an absolute legend, and he's even been like, look, we're gonna do satin parts of it and some is gonna be gloss, and like, they are stunning. The up close images of these wheels are absolutely stunning, and I think that's one thing with the Huracan, and he's been really cool. Like, he's just like, right, you need 21s on the back and you need 20s on the front just to give it what we need. And it's amazing, isn't it, how you could make a Huracan which is, let's say on the market, 150, 160,000 pounds, and you can effectively make it look better than a Performante. Like, how does that make sense? Would like to take this car on a circuit. After driving Tony's Performante around the track and also his GT3 RS, I've kind of decided that I would like to do that, but I probably need to do that in the next sort of week or two before the wheels and the body parts arrive. Look who's turned up.
Hello.
Hello, mate.
Wealthy here. No, I can't say that.
No, you can't say
You
that.
get told that you're wealthy.
Oh yeah.
And then you just accept the compliments.
Fine.
Yeah.
No, it's not the end yet, just yet. No.
No, I'll do it on this one.
What about mine? Go on, do it on mine.
He's good at it.
Tony has just turned up in his AMG GTR. I'm basically going to be passenger in this for this supercar convoy, which is coming up, but isn't it just so sick? I love it. People like our track videos, mate.
Ballers.
Yeah. And we are going to be doing more of it, aren't we? We are going to be doing more track
Loads.
videos. Because people love the fact of just me driving on a track and me teaching you. So we're going to do a lot more of it.
Yeah.
It is fun, isn't it?
It's hilarious. It's so good.
When we did that 675L2. He tried to keep up, didn't he?
He was having a wiggle on and everything.
And then I just threw it down the inside. And
That's flapping.
yeah, he didn't know. No, he was wiggling mid-corner, and I just launched it down the inside, and I was like, that's that. We're checking out.
That's a video. I heard you used to be a race driver, mate.
Yeah, mate, it used to be.
He wasn't a very good one, to be fair, but for our level, he's very good.
You can't. No. All right, dance.
No, I'm not.
3, 2, 1, dance.
I'm not dancing.
Dance, because I gave you 2 track days. It's a tuition for 2 track days. Dance now.
I'm not dancing.
Tom's in his Carrera.
In his washing machine. Tom's in his washing machine.
And also, who has joined the party, we have an Aventador S Roadster. Tony, is that a bit of you?
I don't mind a bit of those.
Yeah, they are cool. We are en route to this car meet, and we're in Tom's Porsche Carrera. Yeah, we're here.
I love this car.
You do actually, don't you?
I love it, yeah, it's so good.
Because it's actually quite interesting, because obviously only the Aventador and this, you do actually quite enjoy the manual box.
Yeah, heel and toe. Yep.
Do you know how to heel and toe?
Heel and toe, trail braking. What else do I need to know?
How the brakes in, be patient, V the corners.
Yeah.
You want to
Concentrate on the exit.
Yeah, the exit.
It's the most important bit.
You know. Sacrifice going in, lose 2 temps going in, but gain 4 temps going out. Yeah. Oh, here he is.
It's carnage.
That car is rubbish.
Mate, it's better than the washing machine, though.
No, it isn't.
How can you be seen in that thing?
Tony,
Did you invite him out?
yeah, no, but Tony, what would you rather, a Prius or Tom's Carrera?
Well, they both sound about the same.
F12, you don't know what's coming up. It's here.
You can certainly come out, sir.
You actually absolutely can. F12, yes, is the registration as well.
F12 is the best car I've ever owned.
Really?
Look at it.
This is mental. Yeah, we'll have that. Yeah, we'll have that. They can't.
Where's my SV? I've just been saying I like this thing. I've brought the wrong car. Oh, the Ferraris are going.
They're off now. Yep.
It's a couple of YouTubers.
Yeah. We have arrived at where all these cars are meeting. We're in Belgrave Square. Joseph's F12, you would have seen this in Monaco. We have Ben's FF, this is also in Monaco, both of these cars. We have Mr. Tom Turner's Porsche GT3 with the wheels. We like the bronze wheels. We also have a GT3 RS, which is here in green. This car was also in Monaco. We have Mr. 888MF's McLaren as well. Hello, sir. Yeah. Right, so randomly, this just decides to turn up. That is unreal, look at that. That is chaos. That is literally chaos. F1 number plate, the most expensive number plate in the world. Look at that. Oh my God. Look how many people have surrounded this car. Literally, everyone's just surrounded it. It's all kicking off. The Urus turns up. An 812 turns up. That is sick as well. So it's time to head on my way home. Tony is driving me back. Good evening. I've actually gone on a supercar drive because it's got a little bit dark. It's just been a really cool day out, and obviously it's really exciting in terms of the modifications which are going to be happening to the Lamborghini. The wheels are en route, they're going to be amazing, forged kind of racing wheels like you've already heard, and then I just can't wait to get started with everything else. It's going to change, mate. That car's going to change.
Change, well, it needs to change.
You can't. Let me know after the wheels what you want to see modification wise. This is going to be a lot of fun. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I'll see you all very soon.